let's take a couple of steps back and talk about why timber framing. Why not just grab a nail gun, some 2x4s, build a porch? Second, maybe to boat building, timber framing is, in my opinion, the ultimate woodworking challenge. These timbers that you see me handling are very rarely square or perfectly planed. These joints, similar to the ones found in fine furniture, demand a level of precision that I find appealing. Working with this challenge, the thud of a well-cut joint is exquisite. Finally, this video is being shot in the era of COVID-19 with the intended audience of my woodshop class. Most of the work I am able to perform in my carport with simple hand tools, minimizing noise and risk. This allows my sons to play, help out, and bring me numerous things from the garage that I don't need. Here, what you see me doing is checking that the post to beam connection is square. As always, I am double checking my work before committing to cutting. Usually I use a 6-8-10 triangle or a 3-4-5 triangle to check that everything is actually a right angle. More detail to follow about a 6-8-10 or 3-4-5 triangle in future videos. When working with large timbers, I always pull my measurements off the arris or reference edge. This edge is the squarest of the edges, and even if my timbers aren't the same size, the joinery still works. I have 2-inch mortises, so here I am drilling with a slightly smaller bit. Professional timber framers use a mortising machine. Here what you see me doing is creating a series of little notches or dents that will later guide my chisel as I start hogging out the waste. One thing I always like to check is that my mortise actually ends up square. Usually I will back bevel it, and once I have a nice clean mortise, theoretically my brace should fit in. I would like this video process to be interactive and a learning experience. Based off of the last 2 videos, what did you find interesting? What did you not understand? And what can I do as an instructor to guide your learning? The next video will be similar to a classroom format, with me diving deeper into certain areas based off of your feedback. I am obviously an amateur YouTuber, and any feedback is greatly appreciated.